Welcome to another episode of Crypto Minder, guys. Today we are going to be analyzing what is happening regarding the Bitcoin price. This dump was insane, and of course, many people are thinking that we are going to zero. Many people are thinking that this is a very nice buying opportunity. Market starts right now. So the thing is that you will listen many explanations. We are going to be doing something that not so many people do. Watch really what the chart says. So let's go directly to the chart. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, takes nothing from your time. And of course, if you appreciate the fact that we are predicting very nicely from the technicals what is going to happen in the next move, please just share this content and of course give us this thumbs up button. It costs you really nothing. Let's go to see what the chart has to say. We are going to be starting from the weekly chart. As you can see, guys, right here, it's very easy to understand what is happening just by one oscillator, this beautiful RSI right here. If you unzoom a little bit and see outside of the box, okay, you see very nicely on the weekly chart that we have 1, 2, 3 touching points, creating very nice bullish divergence at this specific price target. So what is happening right here? We had the break to the upper side, okay, and then we have 1, 2, okay, bearish divergence on the upper side. If I'm going to extend this, you could easily see right here that we are creating a kind of triangle at the moment. So what am I expecting right now? What is the thing that you would expect if you would see this kind of chart? In this situation, you can clearly see that this support line could work for one more time. Could this be a very nice entry point? I'm gonna explain to you very nicely, but also I want you guys to leave in the pinned comment section down below. Just leave your comments and please try to share this very nice content we are doing. So I'm gonna be explaining right here. I said to you guys that since we have bounced, okay, over the 50 exponential moving average, I am expecting that this is not a good signal to begin. So what was the next step? The next step is that as far as you can see at this point, we are coming again to touch the exponential moving average. Statistically, okay, from all the other times and in the past, if you go, let's say back here, every time we have bounced over the exponential moving average, the 51, it hasn't been so good. So we touched right here, we came up, we retraced. We touched down here, we came up, we retraced. So it's happening. It happened every time. We came down here, we touched, okay, we retraced. So this is what is happening at this moment. Am I saying that we are going in a bear market? No, I'm not saying this. If I'm not gonna see this touching and breaking to the downside for one more time, as I explained many times in my videos, I am not ready for a bear market. I said this many times. You can go back, watch every single video that I was explaining about this specific situation. And I'm saying to you guys clearly that when this is going to touch right here for one more time, the RSI will be bottomed at this point. Is this a very nice entry? I don't know yet. But if this one is going to break to the downside, well, technically, guys, you have to come and see at this moment, okay, that we are counting 1015 days until today, counting, okay, bullish divergence on the RSI. Am I expecting this to rebound for one more time? This is going to show very soon. This actual move is going to take approximately 42 days until it's gonna show what is going to happen. Are we gonna have a break to the upper side? Are we gonna have a break to the downside? Well, the bullish side right now is much more confident. I'm not saying we are in a bull market. If I want to believe, also you, that we are in a bull market, we should see a break to the upper side, breaking this bearish divergence on the RSI, and this is going to be one of the major insane moves that come. So we can see the last step of Bitcoin, okay, for this bull market in case we go back. So what you have to see at the moment is that this one could retrace all the way down, okay? So this could take us easily, okay, and one more 11% down, at least 12. I could easily see a spike to the downside, retracing, going all the way up. 37,600 is the last chance for a daily close over, okay, and then continuation to the upper side. We should see a very fast move to the upper side after this, otherwise it's not going to show well. That's what I believe regarding the Bitcoin chart right now. This is the most insane thing you should see. It's a very nice, you see clearly the fact that we have been 1015 days, okay, in a bullish trajectory right here, okay. We've seen the bearish sign on the upper side. This would be one of the best decisions you could take. Either we break to the upper side after we touch the support line, or under these circumstances that this break to the downside and this creates a resistance line. This should be one of the best exits since we have been in this kind of trend, the RSI. You see very nicely how it worked. You see how very nicely could easily work. This is not a financial advice, I say one more time, but this is one of the biggest signals without trading with so much noise, without caring about what everyone else is saying and believes. In case we go to the upper side for a bull market, we go to the downside for a bear market, okay. So what you should see clearly, guys, is that if this very nicely breaks to the downside, I need a support right here. Break to the upper side, I want to see some volume, confidence coming in. This means bull market coming. If this breaks to the downside for one more time and reverses, then we are going on a bear market, plain and simple. This is all I want to see, combining for one more time with the 50 weekly exponential moving average. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to scroll down, smash this like button, subscribe to the channel. Please, this is one of the most insane things you could do for us. Press the bell button for all the notifications and see you in the next one. With a reminder. Bye bye.